Imagine pulling perfectly crispy fries and juicy chicken wings from your air fryer at the exact same time. No waiting, no cold food, no second guessing. Dual-zone air fryers make this possible, but with so many options flooding the market, which one is actually worth your money? We tested the top models head-to-head. We compared the technology, the capacity, and the real-world cooking results. Today, we give you the complete picture on the best dual-zone air fryers for 2024. Stay with us. Here is the problem with most air fryers. You cook the chicken. It is done. Now you wait another 15 minutes for the fries. By then, the chicken is cold. Or you try to squeeze both into one basket and nothing cooks evenly. You end up with soggy food, frustrated family members, and a kitchen that smells like regret. Some cooks try splitting meals across 2 separate appliances. That just means more mess, more counter space, and more cleanup. Single basket air fryers were simply not designed for real-life cooking situations. There had to be a better solution. Dual-zone air fryers solve this completely. They feature 2 independent cooking compartments, each with its own temperature control and its own timer. Run chicken at 400 degrees Fahrenheit in Zone 1, while fries cook at 380 degrees Fahrenheit in Zone 2. Both finish together. Hot food, perfectly cooked, on the table faster than ever. No juggling, no compromises. AirFryerGuidance researched and tested the top models available so you can make a smart, confident buying decision. We break down exactly what makes each one worth considering and who each model is built for. Let us get into the picks. First up, the AirCrisp 5QT model. This machine uses AirCrisp technology, where 400 degrees Fahrenheit superheated air completely surrounds your food. The result is a hot, crispy texture without drowning food in oil. The 5QT non-stick basket and crisper plate hold up to 4 pounds of French fries or 5 pounds of chicken wings. That is serious capacity for a compact unit. Cleanup is simple thanks to the dishwasher-safe basket. It is a strong entry-level pick for couples or small families who want reliable crispiness without the complexity of larger multifunction machines. Solid performance at a competitive price point. Next, the Cosori TurboBlaze. This machine is engineered for speed and power. Its TurboBlaze technology delivers a 3,600 revolutions per minute motor that circulates heat faster and more aggressively than standard air fryers. What does that mean for you? Shorter cook times, more consistent browning, and crunchier results across the entire basket. Meals that normally take 25 minutes are done in significantly less time. If you are feeding a family and simply cannot afford to wait around, TurboBlaze is your answer. Cosori has built a strong reputation over years of kitchen innovation, and this model delivers on every promise they make. Then there is the Cosori 5-fan speed system model. This one takes precision to the next level. A unique 5-fan configuration combined with temperature control, ranging from 90 degrees Fahrenheit to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, means evenly cooked dishes with perfect texture every single time. Whether you are dehydrating fruit at low heat or blasting frozen wings at maximum temperature, this machine adapts without missing a beat. It also offers multiple cooking presets, so even beginner cooks get consistent results fast. This is the ideal pick for home cooks who care deeply about results and want full control over every cooking variable without any guesswork. Finally, the 14-in-1 versatile air fryer oven. This is the powerhouse of the lineup. It combines 7 dedicated air fry modes for fries, chops, shrimp, and more. The spacious 26QT family-sized capacity is built for serious, high-volume cooking. It comes with a complete accessory set: wire rack, bake pan, fry basket, rotisserie fork, and 10 skewers. That is a full kitchen toolkit packed into one machine. Meal preppers can batch cook an entire week of food in a single session. For large families or serious meal preppers who want maximum versatility, nothing else on this list comes close. AirFryerGuidance exists for one reason: to help you cook faster and eat healthier. Every guide, every comparison, and every product recommendation is built on real research, not sponsored rankings. We dig into the technology, the capacity, the cooking performance, and the real-world use cases that actually matter to home cooks. We test how these machines handle everyday meals, not just ideal lab conditions. From top-rated air fryers to full-model comparisons to healthy cooking strategies, our platform covers everything you need to feel genuinely confident before spending a single dollar on a new kitchen appliance. We do the work so you do not have to. So which dual-zone air fryer is right for you? For small households, the AirCrisp 5 QT delivers reliable crispiness at the best entry price. For raw speed, TurboBlaze is unmatched. For precision and control, choose the Cosori 5 fan system. For families who want a complete cooking solution, the 14-in-1 26 QT oven wins every time. Do not guess. Get the full detailed breakdown with side-by-side comparisons right now at airfryerguidance.com. Drop your top pick in the comments below. Subscribe so you never miss a buying guide. We will see you in the next one.